Today I am reviewing Roborock F25 ALT Vacuum Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Roborock F25 ALT is one of those cleaning machines that tries to replace several steps in your regular floor cleaning routine. Instead of vacuuming first and then coming back with a traditional mop, this cordless machine is designed to vacuum and wash hard floors at the same time. On paper, that sounds like a huge time saver, but what really matters is whether it actually makes cleaning easier in everyday use. One of the biggest selling points here is the advertised 20,000 Pascal suction power. That number is impressive for a cordless wet and dry floor cleaner, and it suggests that the machine should have no problem picking up dust, crumbs, pet hair, dry dirt, and small debris while simultaneously washing the floor. For homes with hardwood, laminate, vinyl, sealed tile, or similar hard surfaces, this combination can save a noticeable amount of effort compared to using separate cleaning tools. Another feature that stands out is the intelligent detergent system. Instead of constantly guessing how much cleaning solution you should use, the vacuum is designed to automatically adjust detergent levels depending on how dirty the floor is. That's a convenience feature more than anything else, but it can help avoid wasting cleaning solution while still giving heavily used areas the extra attention they need. One problem that many wet floor cleaners struggle with is hair wrapping around the brush roller. Anyone with pets or family members with long hair knows how annoying it can be to stop cleaning just to cut tangled hair away from the roller. Roborock says this model uses a dual shark tooth scraper design combined with over 100 comb teeth to continuously remove hair before it becomes wrapped around the brush. If that system performs as intended, it's a practical improvement because maintenance becomes much less frustrating over time. The machine is also designed to leave fewer water streaks behind. That's important because some floor cleaners can leave floors looking clean at first, but then dry with visible marks or uneven patches. A streak-free finish is one of those small details that makes the entire cleaning experience feel much more satisfying, especially on darker flooring where streaks are easier to notice. One feature that genuinely seems useful is the ability to lie completely flat. Many upright floor cleaners struggle to reach underneath beds, couches, entertainment centers, and cabinets because the handle or body gets in the way. The F25 ALT can flatten to reach much farther underneath furniture while maintaining suction and water flow. For people who don't like moving heavy furniture every time they clean, this alone could become one of the most appreciated features. Its slim body also helps in tight spaces. If your home has low furniture or narrow gaps where dust tends to collect, being able to reach those areas without switching to another cleaning tool makes daily maintenance much easier. The edge cleaning performance is another practical improvement. Traditional mops and many cordless floor cleaners often leave a strip of dirt along walls or cabinets because the brush doesn't reach all the way to the edge. Roborock claims this model cleans within about 1 millimeter of the edge, making it much better suited for kitchens, bathrooms, and hallways where dirt often builds up around baseboards. The driving assistance system is another interesting part of the design. Instead of feeling like you're dragging a heavy appliance across the floor, dual AI-assisted motors help move the cleaner forward and backward with less effort. That doesn't necessarily mean the machine is lightweight, but it should make longer cleaning sessions feel less tiring. If you've ever used a heavier floor cleaner that became uncomfortable after 20 or 30 minutes, this kind of assisted movement could make a noticeable difference. The adaptive steering system should also help when moving around table legs, chairs, kitchen islands, and other obstacles. Smooth handling may not sound exciting until you've spent time wrestling with a bulky cleaner that constantly catches on furniture. Maintenance is another area where the F25 ALT tries to reduce work after cleaning is finished. Instead of removing the roller and manually washing everything, the machine includes a self-cleaning system followed by hot air flash drying it up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. The purpose is to help dry the brush quickly, reducing moisture that can eventually lead to unpleasant odors or mildew. For many buyers, that's one of the biggest advantages of premium wet floor cleaners because nobody enjoys cleaning the cleaning machine after every use. The large wastewater tank is another practical benefit. A 720 milliliter dirty water tank means fewer interruptions while cleaning larger rooms. Instead of constantly stopping to empty the tank, You can usually finish more of your floor before maintenance becomes necessary. That said, this isn't the perfect cleaning solution for everyone. Like most wet and dry vacuum mops, it's designed specifically for hard flooring. If most of your home is covered with thick carpet or large area rugs, you'll still need a separate vacuum cleaner. This isn't meant to replace a traditional carpet vacuum. It's also worth remembering that cordless convenience always comes with some trade-offs. Even though cordless cleaning is much more flexible than dragging a power cord through every room, battery-powered appliances eventually need recharging. Larger homes may require charging breaks, depending on how much cleaning you're doing in one session. Premium floor cleaners like this also cost more than basic mops or standard stick vacuums. Buyers should consider whether they'll actually benefit from the combination of vacuuming and mopping at the same time. If you only clean a small apartment once every week or two, a less expensive solution may be perfectly adequate. But for busy households, homes with children, pets, or lots of daily foot traffic, saving time during every cleaning session can easily justify spending more upfront. This machine seems especially well suited for homes where hard floors make up most of the living space. Kitchens, dining rooms, entryways, mudrooms, and pet areas are exactly the kinds of places where wet and dry cleaning works best because spills, dirt, and dust all tend to collect together. People with pets are also likely to appreciate the anti-hair system, assuming it performs as advertised. Long hair wrapped around rollers is one of the biggest complaints with many floor cleaners, so reducing that maintenance could save quite a bit of frustration over months of regular use. If you're looking for a cleaner that handles both dry debris and wet messes in one pass, reaches underneath furniture, cleans close to walls, and reduces post-cleaning maintenance with self-cleaning and hot air drying, the Roborock F25 ALT checks many of the right boxes. It won't completely replace every vacuum in every home, especially if you have a lot of carpeting, but for hard floor households it appears to offer a thoughtful combination of convenience, cleaning performance, and practical features that could make routine floor care much faster and much less of a chore.